Get you traffic and weather on the twos. Alex watching the roads, and John with your forecast, and he's watching a lot for this weekend.
Yeah, it's funny on Facebook, a lot of specific plans. What's going on? I'm heading out to Bethlehem for some fun at one of the casinos there. I'm doing this, I'm doing that. Remember, Saturday is the challenging day. You're okay for Friday.
And the Army-Navy game, right?
Well, the Army-Navy game, that I think it's going to be snowing.
Yeah,
it's on CBS.
Yes, it is.
So you know what? I'm thinking maybe a CBS 2 weekend. Stick around and enjoy the game. Now, numbers are cold right now. It's a little warmer there for Elena in Brooklyn. I mean, there's quite a spread. Barry, one of some of these cool pockets, northern Jersey, were quite a bit cooler. Chrissy, Lynn, it's interesting. Lynn, she's way up north, and she is ready for some snow. Tony is, Tony's a big snow guy. He likes the winter weather, but he's encouraging everybody, please drive safely. Claire's pointing out clouds have really filled in Yonkers. There's Lynn. She says, yeah, bring on the snow. Boy, cool for her right now at 25. Obviously cooler for Charlie as well. So, that's one of the pieces of the puzzle. You have to have cold air in place, and then the low is the mechanism that brings the moisture into it. And then you see the snow. Hey, did anybody see a flurry yesterday? No. I saw like 6 of them. Any moisture in the atmosphere, it's funny, it would actually come down in a form of a flake, but it's an organized system. And again, with the wind chill in the city is the air temperature reading, but wind chills are cooler circling the city. We have wind chills in the 20s and teens out on the Long Island, way out on the east end, and parts of Monmouth, Ocean County, your wind chills right now are in the 20s. 41, that's below normal. That's the trend. 65 and 10 are your records. Sun's up at 7:08. Parts of the area, a pretty sunrise. Other parts of the area, you're just going to be dealing with increasing clouds for the day. So the National Weather Service has posted a winter weather advisory for the city, Long Island, Connecticut, and then into central parts of New Jersey. It's a winter storm watch for South Jersey. Again, some of the computer models cranking out maybe 4 to 6 inches of snow for parts of Ocean County. So that's why they're at a winter storm watch. And these advisories will change as the storm approaches and as we get more data. Right now, the general thinking is 2 to 4 for most of the area, busy corridors here into Rockland, Westchester, the city, and points west. The concern is going to be that mixing for the South Shore, possibly parts of the Jersey Shore. That brings in that element of ice. So even though the totals don't look that significant, it's very slippery. And then north and west, all my snow lovers, they're going to be bummed because they're not going to see that much snow out of this. Here's what's going on right now. You see increasing clouds. You see really messy weather for the mid-Atlantic down to the Gulf. I mean, it's snowing in the Gulf of Mexico right now. Real messy in Mobile as they get ready for this with all this cold air being pulled in. Timing it out for you. Friday is okay. It's Friday night where we see a hint of some snow, Atlantic City down to Cape May. Then what happens? Kind of flirts with the coast until tomorrow morning. Then the snow starts to fill in. Here's the line. Pivots a bit, so you see it kicked farther to the west. Still snowing in the afternoon, and then we see it wrap up. And there's a little clipper on Sunday that could bring in some snow north and west. Saturday, the challenging day. Sunday, you're cleaning up. Another system brings in some rain, snow mix Tuesday. Then it's a lot colder next week, so some of that snow sticks around for your, like a postcard. It's going to be so pretty in parts of the area.